Alright everybody, I'm back again. I don't know if you guys are enjoying my little videos or not, but I've been getting some views, so I'll take that as a yes. I had a viewer actually tell me I should be telling stories, so we're gonna do that. Don't know what kind of stories exactly I should say. Don't mind that. That's my seatbelt telling me put it on, stupid. Make an adjustment on this camera just a little bit. Yeah, that's not gonna work for me. I don't like it already. I can tell you that. I'm getting nothing. You guys are just gonna have to see the little dot. That way I get a good video. Otherwise, it ain't worth it, huh? But I am on Gumstand Road. It's definitely a mountain road. Let's see what kind of fun we can have taking this road. I hope you guys enjoy the ride along. So, let's begin with the story. I remember when I was little, well, littler anyway, my dad told me that one day my mom and my grandpa, passed away now, but when I was in elementary school, I guess they dropped me off at the front door, my mom and my grandpa, and by the time they got back home, somehow I had decided to not go to school that day, and I met them at home. Don't know how that was possible or how that happened, but I guess that it did. And that kind of behavior in school lasted me all the way through my school. School bored me. It wasn't, I don't know, I never really learned much. I learned more out of school than I ever did in school. 2 + 2 = 5. Everybody knows that. They teach you that in all Michigan public schools. That's a joke, by the way. But I remember a story one time. I was in high school and I was dating somebody, and they happened to be in the office, and I decided I was skipping school that day. And well, the principal, as they were talking to my girlfriend at the time, told her, "You better straighten up, you better wisen up, or you're gonna wind up just like one of those losers out there in the parking lot." Well, lo and behold, when my girlfriend looked out that said window, I happened to be one of those losers that he was talking about. And in her defense, she stuck up for me at the time. She told the principal, she said, "One of those losers happens to be my boyfriend." Well, to make a story even more interesting, about a year and a half later, we had our first son together. A few years after that, we had another son together. And a few years after that, we had another son together. She wound up becoming my wife. That lasted for, well, 20 years. Until she decided that, I don't know, I guess it wasn't meant to be. I'm not mad at nobody. I don't hate nobody. I hope that she's happy in life with her choices. I've got no bad words to say about her. If I could ever see her to her face, I would apologize for any things that I may have done in our past. She's still the mother of my children. She always will be. Nothing more to say about that story. We're going to end it right there. But back on the happier stories. I don't really know what else to say. Everyone keeps telling me I should tell some of my stories, but it's funny because I can only tell them when they come to me. It's like trying to remember these stories as they happen. Yeah. I don't know. Just don't always seem to work. But I am off this road now. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little story and ride. Till next time, goodbye.